In the early days of transportation, the concept of the internal combustion engine was born. Over the years, inventors and engineers worked tirelessly to bring the internal combustion engine to life. Key milestones and technological advancements propelled the internal combustion engine forward. From increased efficiency to reduced emissions, the internal combustion engine has evolved to meet the demands of the modern world. Today, the internal combustion engine continues to power various modes of transportation, shaping our world. As we look to the future, advancements in technology promise even more efficient and sustainable engines.